What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add different chains into Metamask wallet. And I'll show you two different ways. It's very easy. It does not require any kind of skills. So first way, let's open up our Metamask. So it's either you'll have like that in your browser window, or we can just pull up through the extension. So right here, what you need to do, you need to press on this little round logo. And then in this menu, we need to press on settings. Once the settings is going to appear, press on networks. And then in here, if you already have a couple networks added, you will see them right here, or you can just press on add network. Once you're going to do that, new page is going to appear. So right now with the latest updates, Metamask already pre-added like 9 different chains already, like Arbitrum, Aurora, Avalanche, BNB, Phantom, Harmony, Optimism, Palm, and Polygon mainnet. So to add a chain, you just press add here and then approve. And it's gonna add automatically network name, network URL, chain ID, and currency symbol. And then we're just gonna approve. And then if you, for example, if you're gonna add other ones, probably the currency symbol is gonna be different. And then we just press approve and then switch to Arbitrum 1 and automatically, and then press right here, got it. So automatically it's gonna switch to Arbitrum. So if we're gonna pull up to the extension again, right here you're gonna see Arbitrum 1. And if you decide to switch between networks, what you do, you press on this little drop down menu or on this little caret, and then your entire network list or chain list is gonna appear here. So it's either Ethereum mainnet or Arbitrum or whatever you have. I already have Flare added. You just choose that and then it's going to switch over automatically. Like for example, Flare, it switched over to Flare. So this is one way how to add. And then for example, if we go back to settings and then network, and let's say you want to add and the network you're trying to add is not here. So what you can do, you just press add network manually, and then right here, network name, new RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and then block explorer. It's optional, but it's recommended because that way, if you are going to try to see the transaction on actual blockchain, it will be useful because you can use that link through Metamask and then press on save, and same way it's going to be added to your Metamask. So this is one way to add either manually or use one of the presets by Metamask wallet. And the second way, let's say the network that you need to add, it's not in here by some reason. So just for an example, if we go to PancakeSwap and default chain is Binance, and let's say maybe Binance wasn't on there, or you just don't have time, you're already on a dApp that you're trying to use. So what you do, you press connect wallet, then this is gonna appear, choose correct wallet, Metamask, and then right here, press on next and then connect. And this basically is gonna state allow the site to add a network. PancakeSwap automatically is gonna add Binance Smart Chain, and as you can see right here, it's gonna fill this required information automatically. And then if we scroll down, we press approve, and then you can press on cancel or switch network, and then it's gonna switch to Binance Smart Chain. So if we go back here, we have a little message right here, you have switched to Binance Smart Chain, just press got it. And right here you can see we have Binance Smart Chain added and selected. So, and default coin is BNB. This is another very easy way to add different chain into your Metamask wallet without actually putting in any information. And this is pretty much it. Hopefully this video is helpful to you, and thanks for watching.